Hi, so today we're going to be counting in 100s. And just to set this up, we have a box here, and let's just say that in this box there are 100 sweets. So each box contains 100 sweets. So every time you see a box, that is worth 100 sweets. And obviously 100 can be written like 100, or 100 can be written as 100. And the same thing goes for 200. So as I said, there's 100 sweets in every box. So the first box here has 100 sweets. And the second box here has 200 sweets. And 200 can obviously be written 200 or 200. And we got the same thing here for 300. So 1, 2, 300. Same thing for 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 400, 400, and 400. And then we have 500, so it's 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500. And we're just going to do the same thing here. So we're just going to count these boxes individually. So 100 sweets in this box. One box is 100 sweets. And 2 boxes is 200 sweets. And here we have 1, 2, 3 boxes, so 300 sweets. This one we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 boxes, which gives us 400 sweets. The next one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes, so 500 sweets. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes, so we get 600 sweets. And just moving up here, we're going to count again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 boxes, so 700 sweets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes, so 800 sweets. And the next one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes, so 900 sweets. And then finally the last one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes. So here we have 1,000 sweets. 10 boxes, 1,000 sweets. So counting in hundreds is actually very similar to counting in tens. So when you count to 10, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Similarly, like 100s, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1,000. So we go 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and then 1,000. Sometimes when it's counting, it can be easier to draw out little dots, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You go 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and so on, as many times as you need. And here we just have some questions we're going to go over. So 2 lots of 100 can also be written as 2 times 100. So if we have 2 lots of 100, we could just draw 100 twice, so we're getting 2 lots of it. Or we could just do 1, 2, and go 100, 200. So 2 lots of 100 is 200. And you can do this for all of these here. But if we have 5 lots of 100, or 5 times 100, we have 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 lots of 100 is 500. And same thing for the last one. 10 times 100. We could have 10 lots of 100. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 lots of 100 is 1,000. And a nice easy way that I used to do that calculation is if we just take 100 here, for example, and we times them by 10. So what I just do is just add on the 0 of the 10 to the zeros of 100. So instead of 100 having 2 zeros, 100 will now have 3 zeros, which gives us 1,000.